is ACCA equivalent to a degree? So to make it simple, ACCA is a professional qualification. Generally, a degree is what you get from a university like a Mumbai University or an MBA college. Whereas a professional qualification like CA comes from an independent body. CA is ICAI, ACCA comes from the ACCA body. So it's a professional qualification. That being said, that's a technical understanding. However, the actual value of ACCA is equivalent to that of a CA, and CA is considered equal to or sometimes above a master's degree. So yes, ACCA is equivalent to a degree. So what does an ACCA do? Think of the ACCA as a finance and accounting expert, a professional. He or she can do almost everything that a chartered accountant is knowledgeable about. It can be about accounting, finance, costing, financial management, taxation. It can even be about helping companies with their business understanding. So you can take almost any kind of profile if you're an ACCA in the world of finance and accounts. Is ACCA higher than CA? There's no answer to that. First of all, I think that both ACCA and CA have their own merits. They are both equal in a lot of ways and have certain advantages over each other. But I think the question should not be higher or lower. For that, they are equal. The question is, if you want to go overseas or you want to complete ACCA, you want to complete this qualification quicker, then you can do ACCA. If you want signing authority specifically, then you should do CA. That's how you should actually answer this question. What is an ACCA salary? So when I completed my ACCA as a member 10-12 years ago, my starting salary was 7 lakhs in PwC. So in the Big Four, so many years ago, it was around 7 lakhs as a fresher member. There are students who are getting a 10 lakh package with 0 years of work experience just when they've completed their exams. So a starting salary now can be higher. However, the Big Four and a lot of companies still pay between 6 to 10 lakhs as a fresher. Over and above that, if you've completed your PER, which is that you have 3 years of experience along with your exams, your pay package can then be much higher depending on which kind of company, which kind of profile. And we know people who've reached CFO level after working for 5, 10, 15 years. Their salaries go in crores and crores. Between MBA and ACCA, which is harder? Look, I say if you are doing MBA from the top 20 institutes of India, then MBA is, I wouldn't say harder, but I would say better for most candidates. However, if you are doing MBA for the sake of MBA, you get into an average college and you're just doing it for the degree, then don't do it. In that case, 100% qualifications like ACCA are much better. How many years is an ACCA degree? ACCA, you can complete it on average within 3 years, which includes completing all 13 exams and finishing 3 years of work experience.